Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now, let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Best ways to make money from Fiverr. Are you looking for a way to supplement your income? Are you unsure about how to make a living part-time, regardless of your skill set? Do you have a unique talent or expertise that would be beneficial to others? Perhaps you have a knack for creating logos, websites, or wedding invites. Alternatively, you could be able to assist businesses with their social media or HR strategies. Fiverr allows you to share your skills with the rest of the online world, no matter what they are. Best of all, you can earn money while doing something you enjoy. Here's a list of the 5 best ways to make money from Fiverr. Let's start. Number 5. Website development jobs. One of the highest paying services on Fiverr is probably website design and development. Although there are unique possibilities for website concept, design, and coding, completing all 3 will earn you more money. The design of e-commerce sites, in particular, is in high demand. Buyers are searching for developers who know how to work with systems like WordPress, Squarespace, and Shopify. Number 4. Prayers and positive thoughts. Prayers and happy thoughts are in high demand. Given the status of the world during the past year, this is unsurprising. People desire prayers and positive thoughts, so why deny them what they want if you can give it to them? As you can see, praying and thinking positive thoughts do not necessitate much talent. Even though these gigs appear to be quite insignificant, they are in high demand and yet another amazing example of how to make money on Fiverr without having any talents. Number 3. Video spokesperson. One of the previous Fiverr assignments I completed was that of a video spokesperson. All I had to do was shoot with my phone's camera and a rough script. I never had to worry about having fancy films or anything like that. What would you be a spokesperson for? It could be for a company or a brand. All you need to do is feel comfortable speaking on camera about whatever issue is being discussed. It can be a tutorial or a walkthrough of some sort. You could also describe the product or service. If you don't want to be a brand or company's video spokesman, there are always the humorous, bizarre, and weird video gigs on Fiverr. On Fiverr, type in strange video, funny or crazy. On Fiverr, you will find some bizarre gigs that pay well. If a gig has a large amount of reviews, it means that customers have purchased services from the seller. Number 2. Social media marketing or managing. Do you have a sizable or insignificant social media following? Then someone will most likely pay you to spread their content on social media. What if you don't want to advertise another company's product or service on your platform? Consider taking over a buyer's social media account. You don't have to be a social media guru to manage your accounts. Find out what your client expects and then provide. After gaining account access, administer their social media presence. I have previously employed a handful of social media managers and been pleased with the results. Hiring a social media manager saves time and effort, while also providing a realistic source of income on Fiverr. Number 1. Editing, proofreading or beta reading. Editing, proofreading or beta reading are the first jobs to consider. Contribute a little time or skills to assist authors improve their work. If you are not very good at editing, proofreading or beta reading, you might simply offer constructive comments as a service. You have the ability to criticize someone's singing or musical abilities. There are some gigs that excel at providing constructive feedback, believe it or not. Though these services necessitate a significant amount of effort on the seller's part, They are an excellent way to generate money on Fiverr. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, make sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.